guys, it's Cookie again with another video, and yes, I know I have not been making ROM reviews. That's because I have been waiting for something here, and it's finally here. Let's get started. So guys, I just bought something big. I've been meaning to buy this for some time now, and it just arrived, and I have been waiting for this guy for some time now. So let's get unboxing. So I'm gonna get it done. Now, as a fun fact, let me just give you guys a little bit of hint. This is going to help me with the productivity of my stuff, and it's mainly because the things which I have now is not cutting it anymore. It's become old, and I'm gonna replace that with this guy. Any ideas what this is? I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to type it around and see what that is. Got it? Well, time's up. Anyways, so judging from the size of it, it's pretty big. And let me just say, it is a laptop. I just bought a new laptop because I'm gonna replace my old guy, who is this guy. And yeah, as you can see, it's in pretty bad shape. It's been around for quite some time, and well, I'm gonna replace that with a new one. And this one, oh, this one's pretty amazing. Let's open it up. And again, if you don't know what it is, it's an MSI. I've been eyeing the MSI ever since I bought the last one, which is used by my brother, E62 or whatever that thing is. It's been a very good experience for me with that one. And here is the laptop itself. Gotta keep it out. It's not a cheap laptop. I guess any laptop is not a cheap one. This one especially isn't. Another clue for you guys, it is the first laptop with the 144 refresh rate screen. Any ideas yet? And it's a bezel-less screen. It's the first laptop without bezels, or with minimal bezels, having 144 hertz, whatever it is. I'm excited. Let's get it done then. I'm really worried about the packaging though, because I'm not sure how these guys treated my laptop. And as you can see, it is the Dragon Center one, because it has the dragon. Yeah, this is the one and all that. I'm not sure if there's, yeah. Here is the product name of it. If you are someone who has been looking at laptops recently, you will find this very interesting, because it is the GS65 Stealth Thin 8RF. So that is the laptop with the NVIDIA GTX 1070 Max-Q. So that is the higher end of the stuff. I've been waiting for this guy for a long time now. So without much further ado, let me just get it over with. So opening the packaging up, I guess it does come with a bag. It comes with a bag which is pretty standard of all the laptops which I bought from online. It is an MSI gaming laptop. It's a shoulder strap. I would like to have a side bag which the P series comes with, or the Prestige series comes with. I'm gonna keep it aside. I'll show you guys the bag if you are interested in that. Well, here is the laptop. I'm gonna open it up. Hopefully I don't. Okay, before that, there is the, I guess this is going to be the power bank and all the power brick, which, well, MSI claims that it is smaller, and I guess I can believe that it is smaller than the normal one. So yeah, here is the power brick. Yeah, it is smaller. It's heavy though, but hey, you gotta trade some things for other things. So I keep it aside. Here is the laptop itself, which is in another bag. So I'm very happy about the packaging then, because, well, as I've already said, I'm not really sure how people are gonna treat my laptop, because it's expensive. Okay, I don't want to do an RMA on this guy, because, you know, as I've already said, I've been waiting for stuff on this one. So packaging is pretty good. I don't know if I need to say anything more about that. And the packaging has not been torn in any way, so that is also pretty cool. Okay, it's this way. So it is MSI, and it is time for me to get it cracking. So I'm gonna open this guy up, and well, let's see what's inside. Oh my god, shrink wrap, the best sort of wrapping, right? So let's get started. Okay, I think it's probably vacuum. And there you have it. That is the MSI GS65 Stealth laptop. Again, wow, it's thin. It's very thin. As you can see, it's pretty thin. Doesn't have much heft to it. Okay, the packaging is pretty solid. It's gonna stay wherever you're gonna keep it. So let's open it up and see again what is inside of this bag. Okay, so it comes with two packaging so that it doesn't scratch your precious laptop. So I'm gonna remove that and show you guys what this is. Okay, now this laptop is actually 1.8 kilograms heavy. It's pretty light in terms of laptops, and especially for a gaming laptop, it's pretty light. I'm really happy about that. And aesthetics, man, it's beautiful. You can see it's not red, unlike other MSI laptops. It's not red, it's gold and black, which is an unusual combination. I would have liked white. I know there is a new laptop which is the P65 GS or creator version, which I would have loved, but it's not available in India yet, so that is the reason I have not been able to go for that one. But it's okay. This one is pretty cool. So let's open it up. Just for your information, there is a USB 3.0 Thunderbolt port, which is cool. I really needed a Thunderbolt port because I'm gonna get a dongle too soon. HDMI, display port, and the power. The power is in the center on the right side, which I'm not a huge fan of, but hey, I can live with that. Again, USB, these things, Ethernet port, separate hi-fi audio port. Now, I actually commended MSI on placing the USB ports far apart on the PE62 because, well, I really like that placement, because whenever you have more than one USB drive which you can put it in, that would be pretty cool. Like this one, as you can see, there is this USB port. One is here, the second one is here, not side by side. I don't think they were smart enough to do that again, so yeah, I'm not really happy about that, but hey, I can live with a few compromises. Now let's open it up and show you guys what this thing is about. Oh yeah, the 1-hinge mechanism, and there is the bezel-less. I mean, bezel-less is a relative term. You can say it has minimal bezels. So yeah, it looks beautiful, man. I love this thing. I love this. Sad, I really would have loved to have a number pad. Number pad is something which I do use. I do a little bit of Excel work, spreadsheets, but hey, it's what it is. The keyboard layout is almost the same thing as the MSI PE62, so I'm not gonna get too much into that. I will be doing a full review on this as soon as I get a chance. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. This is the i7 8th generation. I don't think I have given you guys the specs of it. It is the i7 8th generation 8750H. That is the processor used. It has an RGB keyboard, pretty cool. It has an IPC level screen, which I'm not really sure what that means, but hey, it does have 100% sRGB coverage, so that's pretty cool. So 144 Hz, 7 millisecond response time. Cooler burner Trinity. It has 3 fans, that's it. The battery life is also pretty cool. It has an 82 watt-hour battery, which is not something you see on a gaming laptop. It does last for quite some time. High-res audio, HDMI, Dragon Center. So yeah, that is pretty nice. Let me just keep it off. Okay, this can double up as a cleaning cloth, right? Yeah, it is a cleaning cloth. I'm gonna keep it here because I don't want to scratch my screen, because I know it does get scratched. Okay, yeah, apart from that, it is the GTX NVIDIA, so it is 1070. Gonna work out really well. Stealth Thin 98RF. It has a 512 gigabyte SSD. It is an NVMe SSD, if I'm not mistaken. Both of this, there are 2 slots in here. 16 gigs of internal RAM, and yeah, 8 gigs of graphics. So pretty loaded. I'm not really sure if the packaging or bag has any information on this one, because I'm not able to find anything. Okay, here it is. Here is the tag. So yeah, as I've already said, narrow border 8750, 1070 Max Q 8 gig, 512 gig SSD, DDR4 16 gigs of RAM, 2 8 gig sticks. It doesn't have an optical drive. I don't need an optical drive. Windows 10 64-bit. I'm gonna say it's a home edition. Keyboard is US International. Battery is 80.25. I've seen somewhere it is 82. Anyways, it's cool. Pretty expensive, as you can see. It's not a cheap one. At least by standards, it's pretty expensive. For sale in India only. I don't really care too much about that. So yeah, that is it with the unboxing of this guy. I need to do the warranty of it. I'm gonna do that soon. There is a quick start guide and all that, which is minimal paperwork. No CD this time. That's amazing. I love that. Anyways, it's gonna just clutter up everything. So yeah, that is it in the video then. I hope you guys liked the video. I am going to make a full review on this one soon. Just let me know if what you guys want to hear about or what you guys want to know about it, because I'll make a review the same way I made a review for the PE62. I'm not really sure if that is what you want to hear, or if you want to hear something else. Let me know what you want to hear. So just as a bonus, here is the bag with which it comes. Okay, it does have a chest strap, which is really cool. I like bags with chest straps. It just gives you more to do. And it's a huge bag, man. I mean, it's not a small bag. Been working really well. Yeah, I'll be using this bag for some time just to get the hang of it, and I'm gonna switch back to my other bag. So yeah, anyways, I'll be doing stuff with that. It's a pretty good bag. I'm not going to say too much about that. So this is the main Kahuna. I'm gonna use this now. So yeah, I guess that much is it about the video then. Hope you guys like the video. Please subscribe and like the video if you found it useful. See you guys next time. Bye.